In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then all services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Enter your screen lock. Click on the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!